this total experience.
Yeah, this total experience.
Oh my god, this is greatness. Like, wow. Like, this is the trendy stuff.
You know.
The trendy stuff. Like,
So, what's your plan, like?
God, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. This is great.
You know, see, Michael, I'm not going to waste my time watching a movie or playing games. I will be at the Liberation Stadium.
You should be.
I'll be there. What day is it?
Of 7th of
7th of October. What time?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. till dawn. You know, young people out there, don't waste your time partying, clubbing. You have to be at the Liberation Stadium. This program will change your life forever. It will indeed transform you.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't afford to miss this. Don't say I didn't tell you. I'll see you at the stadium.
Yeah.
Michael, we'll see you at the stadium.
we'll see you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.